What is the author's attitude towards innovation shown by European immigrants? Where do we have this reference? The later half of the passage talks about the method of innovation and gives examples of European immigrants innovative and dominating the organized crime scene. In this context, the passage says that these immigrants were poor and least skilled, and crime was one of the few options available for advancement, and essentially their criminal activities were an attempt to join the legitimate society. So that is the thought in the passage. It can be inferred that the author justifies the European immigrants' domination in organized crime under certain conditions such as being poor and being least skilled. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, wholehearted endorsement. Wholehearted endorsement would indicate unconditional support. It can be inferred that the author justifies the European immigrants' domination in organized crime under certain conditions such as being poor and not having skills, but it is too extreme to suggest that the author would wholeheartedly endorse this innovative way of getting ahead. This is too extreme an answer choice. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, mild contempt. This term would indicate some sort of disrespect. The author tries to justify the immigrants' domination in crime, and it is incorrect to state that the author holds contempt towards this way of innovation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, limited denial. This term would indicate rejection, but it can be inferred that the author justifies the immigrants' domination in organized crime. So the author accepts their domination to some degree, and it is incorrect to state that the author denies this way of innovation. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, unqualified justification. This term would indicate unconditional justification. It can be inferred that the author justifies the European immigrants' domination in organized crime under the conditions of the immigrants being poor and not having skills. So it is correct to state that the author has some sort of conditional justification rather than an unqualified or unconditional justification as suggested in this answer choice. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, tentative acceptance. This term would indicate limited acceptance, and that is what is implied in the passage, because the passage talks about European immigrants dominating organized crime because they were poor and the least skilled, and the passage says that crime was one of the few options available to them. So it can be inferred that the author justifies the actions of these immigrants on certain basis because they were poor and least skilled. Such an attitude can be said to be tentatively accepting. E is the correct answer choice.